We've been at this for a very long time here in this office, litigating these cases for years, both at the trial court level, taking them up into the appellate court, and then we've done some federal court work as well. But one of the most important and powerful defenses that we're using right now is sort of a little used secret that not many practitioners across the state are using, and quite frankly not many consumers are using. But the power of the protections that are contained within the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's new Dodd-Frank regulations cannot be ignored any longer. Now, this is just sort of a brief overview, and I'm going to get a little bit into the details, but I want you to understand the complexities of this are not something that can be handled just in one short video session. So this video is just going to be a bit of an overview, and then in successive videos what we'll get into is some of the more specific regulations and protections that can be used to protect a consumer that finds themselves in foreclosure, those protections that are found within the Dodd-Frank protections of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Now, I'm holding in my hand here the manual that they have produced. This was produced in December 2013, and the title is Help for Struggling Borrowers, A Guide to the Mortgage Servicing Rules Effective January 10, 2014. Now, if you look right up here on the board here, this shows the manual that I hope that all of you will contact my office and download, or just download it directly. And you'll see that this manual, many hundreds of pages long, written in layman's terms that describes very clearly the protections that are contained within the Dodd-Frank regulations and act. Now, again, this video is just an overview. In successive videos, I'll get into some of the more important and specific regulations that are contained within there. But one point I want to make clear, asserting your rights under CFPB can be a bit technical and can be a bit complex. So like with everything else in foreclosure, you should have the experience, advice of an attorney who's done this for quite some time. You need that both at the complaint level as you're making those complaints, but then more importantly, you need those in the court and to be able to properly assert those rights. Now, any consumer has the right to go and complain directly on the CFPB website about violations of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau regulations, and they should. But quite frankly, you need an experienced practitioner to help you understand how to make those regulations effective in the individual foreclosure case. So again, the manual's right here. I hope that you'll kind of grab that, look at it for a little bit, and then what I'm going to do in this next video is get into some of the specifics of the CFPB and the regulations that are included within there. I hope you'll join us for upcoming videos.